How's it going? It's been a while. How have you been? I'm actually doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. So we got a couple of boxes in. We're going to go through some stuff that I ordered. This is going to kind of be a down and dirty video. Not a lot of editing or anything like that. I really kind of want to get this up. So we're going to go through this box here. You may recognize that brand right there. We'll find out what I got from Jonathan. This one you may or may not recognize, but there's a story to go with it. So we'll get into that too. So stay tuned and let's get started. All right, before you get your panties in a wad, that's kind of an homage to Jason. I put a comment on one of his videos. He went and found out that I had a channel, and then he decided that he was going to berate me until I got videos out. Actually, he didn't berate me, but he kind of lit a fire under me to start doing videos again. So that's just an homage to him. All right. I like his face. He looks like he ate something bad. Okay, we're going to open up these boxes. And I'm sure you can probably guess what's in this box. Sort of. Maybe half of it. But I'm going to give you a tip. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Okay. Yeah, I don't have any fancy cameras, so I don't have a video screen that I can see through. Hey, I got a sticker I can put on my cabinet over there. That's cool. I like that. All right. Get rid of that. First box, the little brown box, is the Jonathan Katz-Moses Chisel guide. So we're going to get into this. I suck at sharpening chisels, so we're going to see if this helps me out. The second thing I got was his stop. Okay, first tip is that if you're going to buy this from Jonathan Katz-Moses, find something else on there that you want to buy. The shipping on this is, I don't know, 18 bucks or something like that, I think. So I was able to basically get a discount on this because I got free shipping by buying both of them at the same time. So that's the first tip. Now, I got that tip from a channel called Onotech. I watched his video and he did that same thing. I noticed a couple of people in the comments said they did the same thing too to get free shipping. Now, there are no instructions in the box. I'm sure that there are downloadable instructions, which I am going to go download and print out so that I can figure out how to use this thing correctly. But, like I said, down and dirty video, you don't need to see me use it. You've seen Jonathan Katz-Moses use it. He's better at it than I am, I'm sure. Next, when I went to buy it, I wanted to buy the sharpening stones as well, the diamond sharpening stone kit. Let me show you what I've got. Hang on a second. Don't move. I'm coming right back. This is what I've got. I've got an 800, a 1200, and I don't remember what this one is. This is a 4000 grit stone. Okay? Water stones. Then I have this, and I have this, and I have one of these. This one's all rusted, as you can see. So, and the rubber is cracking. Can you see anything? Are you able to see all that? Well, you can see most of it. Anyway, I hate all of it. This stuff, like I said, I'm not good at sharpening. I'm a hack. So I tried to keep these flat. They were not flat. I spent a lot of time sharpening a chisel such as this one, and I made the end of it curved and got pissed off, and I basically just stopped. So I've been looking for some method to sharpen, and I know there's lots of them out there, but I kind of like Jonathan Katz-Moses. I watch a lot of his stuff, so I decided to give his a try. We'll find out how well it works. All right, this, you can buy this from Jonathan as well. This is the stones that he shows in his video. The problem was that when I went to buy this, he was sold out. So he tells you the name of these. I went online and found them, and I ordered these. So these came from China, actually shipped from the warehouse. I would have bought them from Jonathan, but he did not have them. And the last time I looked, about 3 days ago, he was still out of stock. So we're going to see what I got. Because to be honest, I don't know. Yeah, I hear you. I do own a knife, believe it or not. So, alright, where was I? Still trying to get into the box. Is that like a seam? Well, your battery died. So, I got that fixed. Okay. Well, that's encouraging. The box looks exactly like the one that Jonathan showed on his, just put that anywhere, that he showed on his channel. So, let's see, how's this thing open? It's a pretty box though. And it's very tight. Okay, one other thing you should probably know is that when you order this from China, it took almost 2 weeks for me to get it. You will get tracking updates. They won't tell you anything. Basically, they tell you off to a DHL location, and DHL has it, but they don't give you any location updates. They don't give you anything like that. You just kind of have to trust it's going to show up. And like I said, it took almost 2 weeks for me to get this. So, all right, there is our stones. It looks like got a little packing material. This is the card holder. That's what this is. And then this is the station down here in the bottom. That's got a green universal pull symbol on it. So we'll take that off. And then, hopefully, we can open this up. They package these things really nice, though, I have to admit. Okay, there is the base. It's got little rubber feet on the bottom. Let's pull out it tells you what they are right here. Coarse, medium, fine, ultra fine. Oh, this is a strop card. That's what this is. These are all diamond cards. So I got 3 diamond cards and I got the strop. Now you can get a well, that's interesting. Look at that. Huh. Nice instructions. I didn't have to go download them. And there it is. That's the coarse. And it just magnetically fits. You're supposed to spray some Windex on here according to the instructions and go to town. So, oh, this is the card holder, provided you can get it open. There we go. So it looks like the universal card holder, because I've only got, what, 4? 1, 2, I got 3 here. Fine, 4. I got 3 stones in a strop. These are supposed to sit in here like that. So, anyway, that's what you get in the box. And, you know, there's a few tips for you, how long you're going to have to wait. All right, like I said, this is just a down and dirty video of the stuff I got, how long it took, a couple of tips if you decide to do it the way I did it. Jonathan Katz-Moses just came out with a brand new tool, which is a countersink bit that now I want to buy that too. I wish he had done that before I actually ordered that, because I would have got that at the same time and saved on shipping. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but I'm probably going to buy that as well. I'm pretty happy with what I got. I haven't used any of it yet. We'll see how it all works out and see if I can actually get my chisels sharp and stuff like that. But it looks pretty intuitive, so I think, you know, I think it's going to work out. I'll let you know in a future video on how my chisels came out. But like I said, I mean, if you want, you really need to go watch him do it. The only thing I do wish is, I wish he had included instructions in the box. I have a computer and a printer. Most people have a computer and a printer. I understand all that. But some people have a computer, they don't have a printer. So now they have to either just look it up online and try to do it that way, or they're going to have to go find somebody that's got a printer to be able to print it out. Very small critique. His stuff looks amazing. So, I mean, that's it. All right. Well, that's it. I will see you in the next video.